Recipe for chili burn. Relief for hands. Getting rid of chili burns on your hands can be a relief, especially if you've been handling hot peppers. Here's a recipe for a simple remedy to alleviate the burning sensation. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of olive oil or any vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of milk, preferably whole milk, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, optional. 2 teaspoons of honey, optional. Instructions. 1. Gather your ingredients. Ensure you have all the ingredients ready before starting. 2. Create a soothing mixture. In a small bowl, mix together the olive oil, milk, and yogurt, if using. You can also add honey to the mixture for additional soothing properties. 3. Apply the mixture. Carefully apply the mixture to the affected area of your hands where you feel the chili burn. Use your fingertips to gently massage the mixture into the skin. 4. Let it sit. Allow the mixture to sit on your hands for about 5-10 minutes. The dairy products in the mixture help neutralize the capsaicin, the compound responsible for the heat in chili peppers, while the oil provides relief from the burning sensation. 5. Rinse with cool water. After the waiting period, rinse your hands thoroughly with cool water. Avoid using hot water as it can intensify the burning sensation. 6. Pat. Dry. Gently pat your hands dry with a clean, soft towel. Avoid rubbing as this may further irritate the skin. 7. Repeat as needed. If the burning sensation persists, you can repeat the process. Sometimes it may take a couple of applications to completely alleviate the chili burn. 8. Apply a soothing cream. Optional. If your hands still feel irritated, you can apply a mild, unscented hand cream or aloe vera gel to further soothe the skin. 9. Wash hands thoroughly. After treating the chili burn, be sure to wash your hands with soap and water to remove any residue from the mixture. Additional tips. 1. Avoid touching your face or eyes while handling chili peppers, and wash your hands thoroughly immediately after working with them to prevent chili burn in the first place. 2. If you have sensitive skin or are concerned about future chili burns, consider wearing gloves when handling hot peppers. 3. If the chili burn is severe or persists, consult a medical professional for further guidance. This simple mixture of olive oil, milk, and yogurt, with honey if desired, can help provide relief from chili burns on your hands by neutralizing the capsaicin and soothing the irritated skin.